Hello guys, what is up? Jose here, and in today's lesson we will be learning Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish. I'll see you on the piano.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes won't fail. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. Never falling from quite the side, falling under your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
Now this is a very simple song. It only has C, D. It has 4 chords. The main 3 chords are C, D, and E minor. Again, C, D, and E minor. Now what makes up a lot of this song is the rhythm that it has. So it goes dun, 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 right? Dun, 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 dun. So we could just start by getting the rhythm. You could do it on one note or with the full chords, whatever feels comfortable. Bum, bum, bum. C, D, E. Bum, bum, bum. So. Right? I like to invert the chords. I like to start right here with the second inversion of C. So we have the E on top. That way, the bass line is going C, D, E, right? Bum, bum, bum. But the chords over here are coming down, so it's contrary motion. So we have, right? And that makes a big difference. So it goes. And it's still the same thing, but it gives it a different feel.
I've been watching you for some time.
So bam bam, sorry, bam bam bam, bam bam bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the other part is where it goes to G, C, G. I like to go, so I go G, and there's G again, but it has the B on the bass, right? So it's a leading tone to C. So it goes, and so if you put it together, that part would go 1, 2, 3, 4. the bass, and then C. So that's all that the song has. So you could mess around with it also. At the beginning, you could go start slowly. You could even go over here on top. So you go, sounds a little bit more. You could arpeggiate the chords. Right? Sorry. I like to go in octaves over here in the chorus.
Never falling from quite the side, falling under your shadows. 'Cause oceans
Right. And there you have it. So mess around in the piano. Go high, go low, do the octaves, do the nice little sweet melodic over here. And that's the point of like practicing inversions and scales and arpeggios so that later you could take these songs and make them yours, right? It's cool like to play it how it sounds like in the original tracks, but me personally, I always like to give it my own touch, right? So whether it's nice simple chords, inverting them, playing over here on top, or adding more dark sounds, it's up to you. There's a lot of ways that you could do it. So there you have it, guys. Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish. I hope you liked it. Remember, practice your scales, your inversions, your arpeggios. All of that will help you in opening up more on the piano. So there you have it. I'll see you at another time.